Welcome. Today we explore an important topic for our cherished seniors, the benefits of pet companionship and how to choose the best pet to enrich your life. Whether you seek comfort, joy, or a gentle friend to share your days, the right pet can be a true source of love and support. Pets offer more than just companionship, they bring a host of benefits to our physical and emotional well-being. Studies show that owning a pet can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and help combat feelings of loneliness. Pets encourage a routine and bring a sense of purpose, providing a reliable source of unconditional love and comfort. Choosing the right pet begins with understanding your lifestyle and needs. Here are some options that many seniors find rewarding. Dogs. For those who enjoy daily walks and outdoor time, a small or older dog can be an excellent companion. Dogs offer active engagement and loyalty, making them perfect for seniors who appreciate both exercise and companionship. Cats are known for their gentle, independent nature. They often require less physical maintenance than dogs while still offering affectionate companionship. A cat's calming presence can be especially comforting during quiet moments at home. An aquarium with colourful fish not only beautifies your space, but also provides a soothing, meditative experience. Caring for fish can be a peaceful activity that requires minimal physical effort. Birds. For seniors who enjoy the sound of nature, a small pet bird can offer cheerful melodies and engaging interaction. Birds can be trained to perform simple tricks, adding a playful touch to daily life. Small mammals. Animals such as rabbits, guinea pigs or hamsters are low maintenance and gentle companions. Their quiet demeanor and simple care requirements make them an ideal choice for those seeking a soft, comforting friend. Before choosing a pet, it's important to consider practical factors, your mobility living arrangements and the level of care you can provide. Consulting with family, caregivers or a veterinarian can help ensure that your new companion is a good fit for your lifestyle. Remember, the right pet is one that brings joy without overwhelming your day-to-day routine. In every stage of life, the comfort of a loyal companion can make all the difference. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect pet to brighten your days and enrich your life. Thank you for watching, and remember, your new best friend might just be waiting to bring a little extra warmth and joy to your home. Stay safe and take care.